Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeView.com. QiYi sent me the QiYi M Pro art version. So this should be a fairly short video. The QiYi M Pro is a fantastic puzzle at a lower price than many other things. They came out with their Bluetooth version, which works really well. The app is not the, my all-time favorite. I think that's the only thing to work with it, but the puzzle itself is great. They had a regular version and they had an art version. The art version was looking a lot like the Go Cube. It had more of a pillowed feel. It had tiles to make it look like stickers. And I think people liked it enough that they're just like, well, let's make one that doesn't have the core in it. Now I'm curious if these are the same pieces as the core. That stock does look longer. So I think they're using the regular M Pro design and not the Bluetooth version. Corner cutting still great. Performance is really nice. Whoop. There we go. We'll do some solves. It's a little bit fast. Compared to like a 56mm puzzle, it is 56, it looks like, maybe a little less. But the rounded corners makes it feel quite a bit smaller. Now this is quiet. This may rival the Dian Tangyun for volume. It is magnetic, it just does not have a ball core. Let's do some solves. I'm going to open up CS Timer. Yeah, it's a bit fast. I want to slow it down, but it is lubricated out of the box, which is great. Get used to what stickers / tiles look like again. Started inserting them in the wrong spot. An OLL skip definitely helps. Well, I thought that was going to be faster. This is comfortable to use. Like, I'm not going to use this for a competition. Well, that's not scrambled, right? That's very wrong. Hold on, I gotta fix this because that scramble was atrocious. Yeah, I wouldn't use this for a competition, I don't think, just because the grip, but this feeling feels great. The quietness of it is really nice. Like, this is just a fun one to use, and I'm not saying that lightly to, sell it or something. This is just enjoyable. There we go. Okay, super fun cube. I think because of the caps, it feels, and there's a little bit of a ridge there, but I don't think that's specifically because of like trying to make a ridge. I think it's just where the caps sit into. If they made a squared version of this, I would absolutely love it. I think it's competition legal. If you're a delegate seeing this, let me know. I think it's competition legal because you can have pillowed puzzles and it is equal all the way around. But I absolutely love this one. Like, for people looking for a tiled puzzle, I used to recommend 3 years ago, 4 years ago, there was one from Yushin, but this is really great. So this is, where's the box? The QiYi M Pro art version. And oh, I forgot to even show it, even take off the cap. It does have a tensioning system for the spring. Is it the spring tension? The number inside the circular hole of the adjusting piece represents the axis distance. The larger the number, the tighter the cube. There are 7 settings. So axis distance. Right now it's 5, which is pretty good. It's honestly on the tighter side, but I am okay with that. Okay. Thank you very much, Chief, for sending this over. Link in the description. Hit like, subscribe more constantly, because in the future, as always, step by speed to be viewed for more news and reviews.